Good morning. I'll start sharing the real estate industry insight through the Power BI dashboard, followed by a short PowerPoint presentation summary. Let's begin with the Power BI dashboard. I have total 8 pages. This first page is actually the overview for real estate market for all the 26 towns in Singapore. This column chart indicates the average prices for all the room type and the volume sold. You mouse over can see the room type, volume sold, and the average price between 2012 to 2019. This is the top 10 highest volume sold for all the room type in Singapore, and Woodland is the highest, followed by the Tampines. And this is the top 3 room types that most popular. Is a 4-room type is most popular across all the town, especially this few uh, town which is had the highest volume of 4-room. And this is show the top 5 based on the flat age. The older flat, the 29, 30 years, have the most volume sold, and mainly at this Tampines and Yishun. This chart show the top 5 based on the story range. The lower floor is the highest compared to the middle range. And this second page is actually the line chart show the average price for all the 36 town. And this is the 5 highest prices for all the room types, and this is the lowest for all the room type. Generally, Bukit Timah and Bishan has the highest prices, and Yishun is the lowest. And you can click onto the let's say 4-room. The 4-room type, you can see the highest price sold is actually a central area, followed by the Queenstown and the Bukit Merah, and the lowest 4-room is actually at Woodland and Yishun. And the next page is actually the metric tables, show the numbers of units sold for all the 26 towns for the different room type. This is the column chart indicate the volume sold for this table show the 4-room for all the town. And if you mouse over to let's say you look for the Bukit Batok, you can see the units sold for all the different room types, and you can also compare to other areas such as the Bukit Panjang, the numbers of units sold for different room type. You can mouse over and see the model of the units sold for different room type as well. And the next one is a similar metric table, but indicated average price for the different room type for all the town. And it provides a more detailed the prices of a particular room type. If you click over here, let's say Bukit Batok, and you can click onto the road or the block, the floor area, and the floor level as well, to find out the prices for all the unit. And this page is show the locations mapped. It show the hotspot area for all the volumes transactions for the different room type. You can click onto the, let's say, particular area like the Bukit Batok. You can see the volume sold in the bubble, and all this the bigger bubble actually the more transaction. You can click onto the 3-room, 4-room, and 5-room to see the units sold. You can mouse over to see the volume and the units sold. You can even zoom into the area to see the area whether they are near empty or shopping center. The next one is actually the trend. Okay. It showed the trend between 2012 to 2019 and on the average price and the unit sold. This chart shows the percentage difference year by year, and I have summed up the previous year to get the percentage difference. You can check. Okay. Basically, the 3-room is actually have generally the trend is moving up the volume, but the price itself is for the 3-room is moving downward. For the 4-room is generally the price is about the same, but for the 5-room actually price moving up slowly, moving down, and the volume is moving up. The percentage of growth is actually lower. You can also drill down further to see um, the changes, the volume of changes month by month. Can over for this all these 6 7 years. In general, February is the lowest, maybe due to the Chinese New Year period, and the second one is the December, which is school holiday, and the other slight slower in the September's. Probably because maybe the Chinese try to avoid the 7-1, which is this period. The next trend is actually continue from the previous pages to analyze and understand the changes between one year to another year. For example, this forum, this year the Funko and Woolen has the highest volume transaction, and for this year the for the based on the age, the flat age, this 34 years, and the 6 year, which is after the MOV, the minimum occupation period, has a high volume transaction. This chart show the lower floor has the highest more transaction than the mid floor. Um, in fact, this Power BI analyzing is very useful. You can right click to find out the year by year, to find out the main reasons causing the changes year by year by clicking this. The final one is actually the trend, the forecasting the volume sold between 2019 to 2021. You can see the trend actually from 2019 to 2021 is actually uptrend for all the room type. It's actually mostly uptrend. Of course, you can go into further detail about a particular town area. You can see, for example, Bukit Batok, you can see the uptrend, and for the um, this Bukit Panjang is actually the flat and horizontal, and for this Clementi is moving down and slowly moving up. Um, so this Power BI forecast through is a very good guide, a general rough guide for the predict the numbers of units so for the next 1 2 year. That's all for my PowerPoint, Power BI presentation. Next, I will follow up with a short PowerPoint presentation summary. Thank you.